Will Stone, Tiny Idaho, Coastal Idaho. We've got the wind blowing. We don't want to make another bad video, so I'm going to yell. Christine's going to film good. This is another 35-foot Carpathian that we did not stretch. So the customers are here picking it up. They've actually brought it back. They've had it for a while. You're going to see another video by the owner that's posted, but he gave us permission to go ahead and shoot it. So let's cover it. Retractable door handle. Retractable step, just like on a standard RV. Behind this is our indoor. We've got a refrigerator freezer that runs on both liquid propane and 110, and it's a 14 cubic foot. So these guys are really using this thing. We've got back access to the storage, and then another really big storage bin on the other side. This is the Dometic Cool Cat. So this is their big AC system, and there's a surprise. It's got a heat pump, but they've got an extra AC on the back of this thing. We'll show you. So Truma, instant hot water system, tankless. In here, and that's the thing about us, guys, we can put as much or as little storage as the customer wants to do. So we did a 2 LP tank system on this with a 7.5 gallon bottle, and then a 24 12 volt system as well. Okay, towing up front. This is one of our 2 gooseneck style trailers that we do. We're fifth wheel, but we do goosenecks all system in the truck. We really like that rather than a plate mount system. The biggest reason is because we handle building the trailers, and they're just sturdy. They're sturdy enough that we're not going to cause any flex like a lot of standard RVs do when they go to a gooseneck system rather than their pin box and straight up plate hitch system. What this does is when we do a gooseneck, it adds mechanical advantage. So on an RV, we always want people to do that with a standard RV, but with a tiny home, much more substantial structure in the chassis, you're fine to do it. This is their bedroom. This is the only slide that we did in this guy, and you can see, because we talked about this before, it's a, when you see the CNC machine aluminum sides there, we know that that's a Schwintech system. 12 volt in-wall motors, very self-sufficient, eats very little 12 volt power. Great system, we like it. Did the LCI level up landing jacks. Here's their here's their landing jack system here. Landing jacks, not leveling jacks. So, fresh tank fill. Now we did 3 tanks on this, and in the past you guys have seen us do some videos where we only did a black water holding tank on some of these guys. It all depends on what they're going to do with it, but they haul this thing around just like an RV. So fresh tank fill system. It's got a gray tank as well as a black holding tank. So here's the other side of the storage up in the front. I'll show you this. Now they wanted something else. He's got a lot electronically going on inside this thing. I'm really excited to see it. Also, like I said, you have to refer to his video because he's going to tell you all about it. I just don't know. So we talked about the breaker box that we used here before. He wanted that outside. So this is a black tank dump as we come on down. This vent is the backside of their washer dryer combo, and again they did the Splendid brand 2100 XC. A detachable Marenco 50 amp service, 30 foot long power cord. Great. Self-locking ring, small twist out, goes back in, twist it a little bit, and then the locking ring goes on. And when you've got it coiled up in your storage unit, this flap comes down very, very watertight. Right here, well, this is not a standard outlet like you would think. What this is part of his entertainment system that he's got in there, and I can't wait to get in and show you. This is the city water hookup. So when they go to an RV park, they hook their whitewater drinking hose with a pressure regulator up to this. Then they've got on-demand water. They don't have to use their 12 volt pump or take water out of their freshwater holding tank. So he's got standard stabilizer jacks on the back, hydraulic powered landing jacks on the front. This is one real cool thing that they did. They've got an entry door to the rear as well. So we do outside over here. Let's go inside. This is where this thing gets real fun. One more thing, powered awning on the back, porch lights everywhere. I'll have you go that way. Folks, this is an entertainment system. If you look up above, he's got an overhead projection screen built on one of the rafters. We'll kind of just get a real cool look at this thing. Tiny house with a theater system. So retractable screen goes up in the back. All his electronics are over here in the corner. It's got sound built into both sides as well as up above, so it's complete surround sound. Like I said, there's more going on in this theater system than I know about, but we'll jump right back around this corner here. And you can see this is where we put their Splendide. This is their washer dryer combo. And then she wanted a couple of places to put bottles of wine there. I'll jump ahead of you. So again, lots of counter space, lots of storage up above. This is all storage down below, save for the combo there. Undermount stainless sink. Now what they've done a couple of things. They've got a water filtration system as well as a water ionization system. So they did both with on-demand hot. This is a refrigerator. So this is the Norcold 14 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. And like we said outside, it runs off both 110 electricity if you're running a generator or plugged in at a park, or it'll run off LP. So like we said, lots of storage, microwave. We did the stainless steel stove, oven, and range hood with light and fan. Nice big oven down below. Dishwasher. There's where the wine's being stored right now. We found their stash. So up in here, we're not going to open doors or closets or anything, and this might be a little bit loud. He really likes loud concerts, and we're fans of that. That's cool. So desk with plenty of storage up here. They do 2 chairs, so when they're working on the road, things like that, they've got plenty of room up here. The bed slide out on an east-west bed so it's a walk-around queen, and they've still got plenty of room. We put the closet in the nose, just like most of the RV style floor plans that you'll see out there. But this turned out really cool. I'll trade you places. Now comes some of the really personalizing the cool features that we can do here at Tiny Items. This is their shower. It's on a rheostat right here, which is a dimmer switch. So mood lighting in the shower, we can turn that down, and you'll see how it's all backlit behind the marble. All LED lights. And then over here on the bathroom side, underlit sink that does the same thing. So they're on the same rheostat switch. You know, vents in the bathroom, standard. This is a porcelain toilet, so we're not doing any RV stuff. So it's porcelain all the way down. Much easier to clean, better looking, just nicer to. It's a creature comfort of home. So this has been the 35-foot Carpathian by Tiny Items. Thanks, guys.